Welcome back to Keep the Fees. In this video, Sarah will guide you through the forms section of our software. Learn how to access QR codes for consent forms, create custom request forms, and set up aftercare instructions tailored to your services. From piercings to tattoos, we've got you covered with fully customizable forms. Let's get started. Thanks for watching.
This is our forms section. There's a specific tab over here on the left side that you can access all of the different forms. From here, this is how you can access the QR codes for the consent forms. You can put the link in your social media or embed these into your website as well via iframe. My team will take on building out all of these consent forms for you, so please don't stress. The request forms is how you can create custom information that you want to grab or custom forms that you'd like to grab information from your customers about their upcoming appointment or ideas for an upcoming appointment. The aftercare we can set up based off of the specific service. So if you have separate aftercare for piercings and tattoos and would like to send two different aftercares, we absolutely can help you out with that. All you'll do is go ahead and send us the aftercare and we'll build that into the system for you. In addition to that, once you've created all of your services, you'll go through the dropdown and select which of those services coincide with which aftercare form.
Ready to streamline your forms and aftercare process? Visit our website in the description to sign up or book a demo today. We're here to help you manage your shop's operations more efficiently.